Has a real estate professional ever offered to co-market with you and actually foot the cost for that? And if not, what would it take for you to agree to do that with a real estate professional? So to put your firm name and your reputation alongside theirs on a co-marketing piece that was bar compliant.
I'm of counsel for a real estate attorney, and we work on cases together. I've seen his work, I trust his work, and I know that the firm that I am a part of is providing excellent customer service and everything. And it's a great source of referrals for me as well.
Yeah, I'm just going to wear my attorney hat for this. I'm also a licensed realtor, so I'm not getting as many realtors approach me for that. Although I still get people cold link me on LinkedIn. We're like, I'm a probate real estate agent. Who do you send your business to? I'm like, myself. Like, did you read my bio? It's all laid out and no secrets. But, and I've had some realtors, and I mentioned this, like the very first time we got together, I had an hour. It was a one realtor and one mortgage broker. They're like, we really want your business. We really want to do this. And I shared with them, same thing I shared with you. Like we have, as an attorney, it's hard for us to solicit business. We'd like more probates. You have the ability to go to the courthouse, to pull deeds, to use other means at your disposal to get in front of the people that we'd like to have more in front of. And they're like, that's great. They're taking notes. They walked away. I never heard from them again. So that would have been somebody I would have paired with because they said all the right things, but then they got busy with their own 9 to 5, their own payroll, and kind of forgot about us, which, it happens.
So there you have it, guys. Like the students of this course, if you use the handouts that we provided, and you actually go through the exercises with these attorneys to make a good first impression, make sure you follow through on it. There's no sense in doing all of that work if you're not actually going to co-market and actually pull the trigger on the idea.
Yes.
So what would you say is the best way for someone without a single existing attorney relationship to approach finding the attorneys who are most likely to find value in their offer? So ones that will actually embrace the new relationship and say, yes, please bring me your referrals. What do you think the best way to find them is? Obviously, we talk about the online law directories and networking and things, but in your opinion, what's the quickest way to find the attorneys who are really doing the business, who have the integrity, the reputation? Like, what's the easiest path to find those?
I think two ways: word of mouth and online social media, maybe Facebook groups that people, a lot of times forums that will drop like, hey, who does this or who gets into this? And that's probably the best because and all of a sudden when your friends are dropping the same name or dropping names in there, you know who they are, they know who they are. So that's probably one. Word of mouth and online forums is one way to go. You don't want to go blind just online directory because you could spend so much time calling lawyers that one, either won't call you back, two, you're going to get the secretary, or you may not get anybody at all. So hope that helps.
Yeah, no, it's validated. All of you guys, I think now I've sent referrals through our Facebook communities like Estate Professionals Mastermind or Probate Mastery. So, Lana, what do you think the shortest path to the highest quality attorney relationship is?
Everything else said, but I'd also like to add networking. So any events throughout the community you see maybe are probate related or attorney driven, those are good to attend just to foster relationships, build relationships with some of these attorneys. And I mean, they're effective. So
So, John, in your opinion, what's the best way for a real estate professional to approach finding the attorneys who are most likely to find value in their offer?
Yeah. I mean, I would honestly talk to other professionals, CPAs and financial planners, who are they work, right? Obviously they are in the same boat as you. They're trying to grow their business through referrals with attorneys and find out people that they like. And you can get a lot of the behind the scenes, what it's really like to work with somebody from other people that have done that, right? Other financial planners, CPAs, other professionals, even realtors. Who do you like? Who do you work with? Who do you not like? Right. It's always a sweet spot for me. And I talked about starting out my own network group a while back. It's the same concern there. You want somebody that is successful enough that they value your business. They're going to do an excellent job with your clients. They're going to send you business because they have business to send you. They're not, when the ink is still drying on their business card, as an attorney, they're not going to send you any business. It would be a one-way street, right? So there's that end. And then you have the other end, which is the people who are circling the retirement drain and already have all their relationships locked in. So you want to find that middle spot. Honestly, the best way to do that is by talking to other professionals who are growing their business similar to you: CPAs, financial advisors, insurance people, those kind of big three. Talk to your mortgage brokers, talk to your escrow. For the attorneys who do real estate law, talk to the people who does the most deals in town and who's approachable, who's easy to work with, and who's a pain, who you want to stay away from. That's every bit of value.
Perfect.